In today's class, we are going to learn how to construct the circles using compasses. Now let us construct a circle of radius 2 centimeter. Before that, let us keep our things ready. So to draw a circle of a specified radii or specific measure, we need a ruler first or a scale. We need compasses and a pencil. Pencil should be shorter than your compasses. Shorter the pencil, easier will be the construction of the circle. First, let's see the part of the compass. So these are the arms of the compasses. This one is the metal arm, which has a sharp pointed needle which is placed at the center of the circle while you construct a circle. Other one is the pencil arm, in which you have to insert your pencil. Before inserting the pencil, make sure that your pencil has a sharp point. So first insert the pencil in the pencil arm of the compasses. So first you make sure that the hinge at the top of the compass is tightened so that it does not slip. Tighten the hold for the pencil so it also does not slip. Now align the pencil lead with the compass's needle. The metal arm and the pencil are equally aligned. Now what are the steps involved in the construction of a circle? First, we have to mark a point O or the center of the circle. The center of the circle, anywhere in between the page or anywhere. Then keep the needle of your compasses and edge of the pencil on a scale as shown. We have to draw the circle of radius 2 centimeter. So the needle of the compass should be at 0 and the tip of the pencil should be at 2. So adjust it, pull it closer and keep it at 2. So this shows you the measure 2 centimeters. If you see, your pencil and needle are not in the same alignment. If you see, you can see a gap between them. You can keep it on the ground and adjust. You can use the screw and then you can adjust the alignment of the needle and the pencil. Alignment is like this. So use the screw. Using the screw, loosen the pencil and then keep them aligned and tighten the screw. See now the needle and the pencil have the same alignment. Now just hold the knob of the compasses and give a slight rotation. So make sure when you turn the compasses, the needles shouldn't come out of the center. So apply a slight pressure on the needle and slowly rotate it and it will trace the circle of radius 2 centimeters. Let us see the plan view of constructing a circle of radius 2 centimeter. First, mark the center O, place the needle of the compass at the center and without changing the position of the compass, draw the circle. You can see the circle of 2 centimeters here. To cross check, mark a point P on the circle. Join the points or draw a line segment OP. Join the dots OP or draw a line segment OP and then measure the radius of the circle. You can see here the radius of the circle is 2.5 centimeters. Let us check the radius of this one also. Mark point A on the circle, join the points and measure. You can see it is 2.5 centimeters. Rita has to construct a circle of radius 4 centimeter, but her scale is broken. She has placed the needle of the compasses on the broken scale as shown in the figure. As she has to construct a circle of radius 4 cm, at which point she has to place the tip of the pencil. Help her by drawing a line on that point. So, she has placed the needle at 7. So, consider 7 as 0. So, from 0 count 4 points. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, she has to keep the tip of the pencil at 11. The students in the following figures have to draw circles with the given radii. So the students have placed the compasses on the scale as shown. If they have placed the compasses correctly, put right. If not, put wrong. Take correct measurements and construct the circles in your notebook. Now see, first one, they have to draw a circle of 6 cm. You can see it is placed at 1. So we have to place the needle at 0 actually. So from 0 it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. She has to place the tip of the pencil here. So the distance that she has kept doesn't give her 6 cm radius. Next, second one, she has to construct the circle of radius 4.5 cm. She has placed it at 0 itself. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 0.5. So it gives her the radius of 4.5 centimeters. She has kept the measurement properly. Next is 5 centimeters. So where the needle is kept, we have to consider it as 0. Then you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here she has started with 2 and she is ended here at 7. So that gives 5 centimeters measurement. Next is 3.3 centimeters. Now here if you see, her needle of the compasses are outside. It is not at 0, it is away from 0. Now, will it give her the measurement of 3.3 centimeters? No, it doesn't give her. So the needle has to be kept at 0. Her needle only she has kept wrong, but pencil tip is at 3.3. Needle is not in the position, so it doesn't give her the measurement correctly. Let us now solve the first question of exercise 7.2. Construct circles with the following radii. So let us now construct the circle of radius 2 centimeters. Keep the scale, point the needle or keep the needle of the scale of the compasses at O and tip of the pencil at 2. You can see that it measures 2 centimeters. First mark the center of the circle, then with the given measurement draw or construct the circle with the compasses. So place the needle of the compass at the center without changing the position of the compasses. Construct the circle. Mark a point B on the circle. Join them and measure the length. It measures 2 centimeters. Constructing the circle of radius 2.5 centimeter. Keep the scale. Place the needle at O. It is already at 2, so slightly pull it so that the measurement shows 2.5. So here is 2.5. Clearly see it measures 2.5 centimeters. First mark the center of the circle with the help of the compasses and the measurement that you had taken. Slightly draw a circle. Mark a point C anywhere on the circle. Join the dots and measure the radius. We can see it measures 2.5 centimeters. 3.2 centimeters. Follow the same method. Keep the scale. You have to always place the needle at 0. And here if you see, it is at 3.2. Mark the center of the circle and name it as O. Needle of the compass at the center and slightly Without changing the position of the compasses, draw a circle. Mark a point D on the circle. With the help of the scale, join them and you can see the measures 33.2 centimeters. D 3.5 centimeter. Now the circles of the small lengths like 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter and all, you can use another way to construct the circle. First you have to draw a line that measures 3.5 centimeter. Keep your scale, mark the point O and from O mark it till 3.5 centimeters. Now this line measures 3.5 centimeter. Now place the needle of the protractor at one end or one point and pull your pencil towards the tip of the pencil towards the other end. Now if you see, this measures 3.5 centimeter. You can cross check using the scale. Keep your scale. So first mark the center O. Place the needle of the compass at O and draw the circle. Mark a point E on the circle. Join them and you can see the measure 3.5 centimeters. Last one is to construct the circle of radius 3.7 centimeters. Keep your scale. Point at O. It is at 3.5. Slightly pull it towards 3.7. And now draw the circle. Mark the center O. Place the needle of the compasses at O and draw the circle without changing the position of the compasses. Mark a point on the circle. With the help of the ruler, you join them and you can see the measure 3.7 centimeters. So this is how we construct the given circles of the given radii.